I want to give you a tip on how to grab a screenshot of your character while not having the background. If you notice, like you can go here to the top left part of the screen, go to high resolution screenshot, and then you can capture it. Now, I can just capture this screenshot and let me open this, and you will see that I have something like this. Now, what if the case that you will want the character only and you don't have the background? Well, some people don't know about this and they go about hiding everything and until, uh, your character is isolated, where there is a better way to do that. If you click on your character or whatever actor you have on the screen, you can type depth here, and you will see here a property called custom depth stencil value. By default is 0. You can use 1 or any number, right? So if you go here, you can go here to high resolution screenshot, and now you have the option to use custom depth mask. You can click on it and you will see that you have like a green screen, kind of like the movies, right? Then you can capture this. And now when I grab this into my screen, you will see that I have the same without the background. And this kind of thing is very useful. For example, if you want to make like UI or anything and you want to take a screenshot of like, oh, I have a sword and this is an item you can get, like you can do this kind of thing. Like for example, this one, you can get like the avatar of this. And this is really just a handy way of taking screenshots in Unreal Engine. So if you like this tip, don't forget to subscribe if you're new so we can connect and don't miss new videos like this one. And if you got any comments, any idea on what kind of video you want me to make, let me know below and I will see you in the next one. Bye.